think our fate could be sealed next week at Barry, which is, funny how, in terms of it, 5 years ago when we were here, we did the same to them. So I'm sure they'll be looking to do that to us, but I'm hoping that they'll come together, the team, stay together, and hopefully we can somehow pull something off. But obviously you're relying on other results and everything to go with us. But yeah, it's a massively big ask ahead of us.
Your first start, first goal as well, doesn't get much better than that.
No, can't complain at all. Glad to start the game and to win and get the 3 points, and it's always nice to top it off with a goal, so it's a great night overall.
Big 3 points tonight. We knew how difficult the game was going to be with Aberystwyth. They were superb last week against TNS. Narrowly losing 1-0, which shows you the calibre that they've got and the challenge that we had tonight. But the performance was good. Players really performed. They've done great this week in training. What all the staff, Billy, Dunty, Kyle Gomez have put all the work into the planning, the preparation for what's a really big week. And it was a good 3 points tonight. And we move on quickly, looking forward to Flint on Tuesday.
No, I don't think it was a 3-0 game. I thought, in terms of possession, everything, they dominated the game. We've come up here with a depleted side. 2 16-year-olds have made a debut. We've got another 17-year-old playing left back, centre forward, and everything. And I'm not. Please don't think I'm trying to make excuses, but it was a tough ask even coming up here, and it made it even tougher with officials like today again. Awful, and it's afraid I've got to say it, but it's happened. And I know decisions don't go with you. When you're at the bottom and things, but it's so poor each week. Blatant handball there. They go up and score the third, and we're depleted as it is, and then all of a sudden, you get a third goal, and then it hurts. It really does hurt.
Take us through the goal.
So I've just obviously got it from out wide, and I've seen Max in a little pocket with the centre half pinned quite tight to him. So I just thought I'd play a bounce and follow and get in the box and just hit it across the goal, and it's gone in, fortunately.
When you're bottom, you feel that things don't go for you, and then we've had 2 glorious chances there, Darlow and Abs, to go through, and if one of them goes in, it changes the momentum of the game, doesn't it? But we're a team that doesn't create many chances, and we need to take those opportunities when we have them. And unfortunately, again tonight, we've had 2 glorious chances and haven't taken them.
We've had some good additions, in January, as you said, Sam, Ollie, Cameron, Max. We've got Chris now back in following his injury. It's like any team, you need real competitive squads where training's the right tempo with the quality, and those 5 have definitely added, and it gives us competition. It was a tough game tonight. Obviously, Kai was suspended, as was Ben Nash. The squad needs to be utilised, and needs to be that competition element. As we said, the new lads have bedded in really well. It's the 3rd result now. Obviously 2-0 away to Caerelli, 2-0 Barrytown, and 3-0 tonight. It's 3 clean sheets. I think majority of the squad have been used in all the games, and that's what's going to be needed for the remaining fixtures of the season.